Hey everyone! Today, I'm reviewing the top 5 best smartwatch under $20 you can actually buy right now. I've gone through 5 budget picks to help you figure out which ones are worth it and which ones you should skip. Let's get into it. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Lotimic Smartwatch, Alexa built-in, answer/make calls 44mm smartwatch women men, 1.83-inch sports watch IP68 waterproof, heart rate SpO2 sleep stress monitor, step counter watch for Android and iOS phone. The Lotimic smartwatch is best known in the US market for offering a lot of smart features at a very accessible level, especially for people who want a smartwatch experience without jumping into premium brands. What stands out right away is the combination of Alexa built-in and Bluetooth calling, which are features many American buyers usually associate with more expensive devices. In real-world US use, this watch fits into everyday routines pretty naturally. Think about someone going for a morning walk in their neighborhood, heading to the gym, or even just running errands. Being able to check notifications, answer quick calls, or ask Alexa simple questions like the weather or reminders without pulling out your phone is genuinely convenient. One of the biggest strengths here is functionality for the price level. You're getting heart rate monitoring, SpO2 tracking, sleep tracking, and stress tracking, all features that US buyers expect in a modern fitness watch. The step counter and activity tracking make it useful for casual fitness goals like hitting daily step targets or staying active throughout the day. The Bluetooth calling feature is especially practical. In US daily life, whether you're cooking, driving short distances, or multitasking at home, it's nice to quickly answer calls from your wrist. Alexa integration adds another layer of convenience, especially for users already familiar with smart home devices. Number 2. Tuber Smartwatch for Women Alexa built-in, 1.95-inch fitness tracker with answer/make calls, IP68 waterproof/heart rate/sleep tracker/100 sport modes, fitness watch compatible Android iOS. The Tuber smartwatch is best known in the US for being a feature-packed fitness-focused smartwatch with a larger display and more activity tracking options. It's designed for users who want something a little more advanced than a basic tracker, but still at an accessible level. In real-world US use, this watch fits especially well for people who are trying to stay active, whether that's walking daily, going to the gym, doing yoga at home, or following workout routines. The inclusion of 100 sport modes makes it appealing to users who want to track different types of activities, even if they're just experimenting with fitness. One of the biggest strengths here is the larger 1.95-inch display. For many American users, especially those who prefer bigger screens, this makes a noticeable difference. It's easier to read notifications, check stats, and navigate menus without squinting. The Alexa integration and Bluetooth calling features are similar to the previous model, offering convenience in everyday situations. Whether you're setting reminders, checking the weather, or answering calls while multitasking, it adds real usability to daily life. Fitness tracking is a major focus here. You get heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, and activity tracking across a wide range of exercises. For US users trying to stay consistent with fitness goals like hitting daily steps or tracking workouts, this provides helpful motivation and data. The IP68 waterproof rating also makes it suitable for workouts, outdoor activities, and everyday wear without worrying about sweat or rain. Now, the downsides. Like many budget-friendly smartwatches, the 100 sport modes can be more about variety than depth. Not all modes offer detailed insights, and some may feel similar in terms of tracking data. Number 3. Tyquate Smartwatch, fitness tracker with heart rate monitor, blood oxygen, sleep tracker, 41mm touchscreen smartwatch for Android iOS waterproof pedometer watches step calories tracker for women men. The Tyquate smartwatch is best known in the US market for being a simple, entry-level fitness tracker that focuses on the basics without extra complexity. This is the kind of watch American buyers often choose when they're moving on from a basic step counter but don't want to deal with a full-featured smartwatch. In real-world US use, this fits perfectly into everyday routines like walking around the neighborhood, light gym sessions, or just staying active throughout the day. A lot of users in the US don't need advanced smartwatch features, they just want something that tracks steps, monitors heart rate, and gives a general idea of their daily activity. One of the biggest strengths here is simplicity. You're getting core health tracking features like heart rate, blood oxygen, SpO2, sleep tracking, and calorie counting. For someone trying to build better habits like hitting 10,000 steps a day or improving sleep, this is more than enough. The 41mm size is another advantage. It's more compact than many larger smartwatches, which makes it comfortable for all-day wear. In the US, where people often wear their watch from morning workouts to evening routines, comfort really matters. Battery life is typically solid on devices like this, mainly because they don't run heavy apps or complex features. That means less frequent charging, which is a big plus for everyday users. Now, the downsides. This is not a smartwatch in the full sense. You won't get advanced features like calling, voice assistance, or deep app integration. Notifications are basic, and interaction is limited. Number 4. Smartwatch for men/women compatible with iPhone, Samsung, Android phone. 1.69-inch full touchscreen IP68 waterproof Bluetooth fitness tracker, heart rate/sleep monitor, Starlight. This generic 1.69-inch smartwatch is best known in the US for being a minimal, budget-friendly smartwatch that covers the essentials without extra features. It's the type of watch people buy when they just want a simple upgrade from a traditional watch or fitness band. In real-world US use, this fits into everyday situations like checking notifications during work, tracking steps throughout the day, or monitoring sleep. It's often used by people who want light functionality without getting distracted by too many features. One of the biggest strengths is ease of use. The full touchscreen is straightforward, and the interface is usually simple enough that most users can figure it out quickly. For many American buyers, especially those who aren't tech-heavy, that simplicity is actually a big advantage. The IP68 waterproof rating makes it practical for daily life. Whether you're caught in the rain, washing your hands, or working out, you don't have to worry about damaging it. The heart rate and sleep monitoring features add basic health tracking, which is enough for general awareness. Another benefit is the lightweight design. It's comfortable for all-day wear, which is important for US users balancing work, fitness, and daily routines. Performance and software experience can also feel basic. It works, but it's not as smooth or polished as higher-end devices. Who should buy this in the US? If you want a simple, affordable watch for tracking steps, checking notifications, and basic health monitoring, this is a reasonable choice. Who should skip it? If you want smart features like calling, apps, or deeper fitness tracking, this will feel too limited. Number 5. Rueman smartwatches for women/men, answer/make calls, compatible with iPhone/Android phones, 1.85-inch HD screen fitness tracker, heart rate monitor, 100+ sports tracker watch, waterproof, purple. The Rueman smartwatch stands out in the US market as a feature-packed budget smartwatch that combines calling, fitness tracking, and a larger display into one device. It's designed for users who want more functionality than basic trackers without stepping into premium territory. In real-world US use, this watch fits well into busy lifestyles. Whether you're at the gym, running errands, or working from home, the ability to answer and make calls directly from your wrist is a major convenience. For many Americans, this is one of the most useful features, especially when multitasking. The 1.85-inch HD screen is another strong point. It's large, bright, and easy to read, which makes checking notifications, fitness stats, and calls more comfortable. In everyday use, that bigger screen makes a noticeable difference. Fitness tracking is also a big focus here. With 100+ sports modes, it covers a wide range of activities, from walking and running to more specific workouts. While not all modes offer deep analytics, they provide enough variety to keep users engaged and motivated. That's my roundup of the top 5 best smartwatch under $20 options. At this price, it really comes down to what basic features you need and what you're willing to compromise on. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review.